Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be trying out this Notorious, guys, and as you can see we have done some minor changes. So we put the M2C beefy chassis braces 7075, check those out, and we also got these hinge pin holders. In the last video I broke them, so I just got some aluminum ones. Dude, huge shout out to Dave at Bash Maps. I'm missing the P, but dude, this thing came out so sick. So in today's video we are going to be trying it out with the Notorious. But dude, this is like it's sturdy, dude. This is not gonna break. We got a pretty good run up, so this is a pretty new location, so let's try it out. Enough talking, let's try this out. Bro, dude, this ramp works so good. We also brought out the Crayon. I just wanted to do my intro pretty quick. Dude, dude, so far this ramp is so sick. I love it. Oh, the Notorious is gonna get a beating today. Absolutely, Dave killed it with this ramp. He understood my task that I wanted for this ramp, and he absolutely killed it. Dude, the shocks are so... Huge shout out to Dave, dude. Oh, dude, we're gonna take a long ass run. Should we do it? Yeah, we'll do it. Freaking, we got the Crayon out here either way. Oh my god, that was so close. Dude, you can hear that smack. The fans are not liking it, but the car is loving it, dude. I'm probably gonna kill the battery faster like this, but dude, this thing is worth the money. Oh my god, that was barely. Oh no. Oh, crippled. Damn, did I really bend that new part? That was a bad hit, dude. No. Where's my drive shaft? Look at that drive shaft. Alright, let's go get the Crayon now. Alright guys, now we got the Crayon. Nothing new. Same thing, 3D printed parts. Running 6S. All stock EXP. Towers, chassis braces, everything. So let's give this a rip. We got the Method RC tires on them, belted. So let's try this out. We're gonna start off slow on this one. This one can do wheelies as well, as long as the Notorious. This one has a 15 tooth. Right there. I feel like this one handles better on high speed and jumps, but the Notorious is just crazy with all the stunts. This one, oh, battery came unplugged. Saw that. Oh look, here's a piece of the body mount from the Notorious that I broke. Oh yeah, this one for sure feels more planted. Oh, battery come unplugged. Oh, they came unplugged again mid-air. Holy crap, that was a lucky ass landing, dude. That was a lucky landing. That was pure luck land. Oh, oh, it broke again. Oh, it broke the rear arm. How? Yeah, rear arm is gone. All of these parts that you guys see on this car and on the Notorious, you guys can get it on my link in the link in the description on my eBay store. I haven't posted this one because I don't think people would really buy this, but it's just for steering. But so far it's been holding up pretty good. Stock electronics, just with some fans on them, extra power, extra cooling, and that's it. Oh, and this front bumper took it. But yeah, it's gonna be an ending early, but it was a great bash, dude. I absolutely loved it. Oh, it kind of sucks. Broken arm, and I could probably fix the Notorious, but might as well just get a aluminum bulkhead for it in the rear. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.